If you've ever felt like a man was into you at first, but then something faded, or maybe he's still around, but it just feels surface level, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to break down 7 ways to get a man to desire you on a deeper, more emotional level. Not just physical attraction, but real emotional connection. And I'm not giving you fluff. This is based on real behavioral studies, expert insights, and patterns that actually work in the real world. Let's get into it. Number 1, show him you have standards. Many women fall into the trap of wanting to please too much. They say yes to everything, avoid conflict, and hope that being easygoing will make him want to stay. But what actually happens? The man begins to lose interest. He doesn't feel challenged. He feels like he doesn't need to do anything to win you over. So he doesn't. You become nice to have, not must have. Men are biologically and psychologically wired to value what they earn. Dr. Helen Fisher, biological anthropologist at Rutgers University, explains that dopamine levels spike when we pursue something rewarding, not when it's handed to us. If you have clear boundaries and standards, you signal that you respect yourself, and that makes him pay attention. Say no when it matters. Speak up when something doesn't sit right. This isn't being rude, it's showing self-respect, and that's magnetic. Number 2, create emotional safety. A lot of men don't express their deeper emotions, not because they don't have them, but because they don't feel safe doing so. So what happens? He stays on the surface. You feel like there's a wall. He may be affectionate, but you can sense there's more inside him that he's not sharing. Want to be the woman he opens up to? Don't judge his feelings. Listen without interrupting. Show empathy, not solutions. Harvard psychologist Dr. Robert Brooks says that emotional safety is one of the biggest predictors of long-term intimacy. When he shares, even something small, appreciate it. That moment builds trust, and when trust grows, so does his desire to be close to you. Real intimacy always starts with emotional security. Number 3, keep a life outside of him. One of the quickest ways to turn a man off is making him your entire world. You stop seeing your friends, you cancel your gym classes, your goals take a back seat, you're always available. But here's the thing, when a man feels like you have no life without him, he starts feeling trapped, not loved. Real attraction comes from admiration, and men admire women who have their own thing going. A study by the University of Virginia found that mutual autonomy, meaning 2 people maintaining independence within a relationship, is key to long-term desire. Keep pursuing your passions. Spend time with people who lift you up. Be busy sometimes. Let him miss you. He'll desire you more when he sees that your life is full, with or without him. Number 4, tap into the power of contrast. Being too predictable can make a connection feel stale. If every date feels the same, if your responses never change, if your moods never shift, desire fades. Routine is great for stability, but desire lives in contrast. Men crave surprise, unpredictability, and layers. Keep things interesting. One day, be playful and teasing. Another day, be serious and deep. Be soft, then confident. Psychologist Esther Perel talks about this often. Eroticism thrives in mystery and change, not in sameness. You're not a one-dimensional person. Let him see all the sides of you. Your humor, your ambition, your compassion, your drive. When he's constantly learning new things about you, his interest won't fade. Number 5, trigger emotional memories. Physical beauty might grab his attention, but it's emotional memories that keep him longing for you. If every interaction with you is surface level or transactional, like what to eat, what movie to watch, what time to meet, it becomes forgettable. There's no emotional anchor. Create moments that stick, laugh until you cry, have deep conversations about dreams. Challenge him in playful debates. Stanford researcher Dr. Laura Carstensen found that emotional memory is stronger than factual memory in long-term bonding. That means if you make him feel something, joy, comfort, excitement, curiosity, he'll crave more of it. Be the woman who lights up his emotional world, not just his visual one. Number 6, don't be afraid to disagree. We're taught that conflict pushes people away, so we avoid it. We say, it's fine, when it's not. We hold back opinions just to keep peace. But here's the twist. Always agreeing with him doesn't make him feel closer. It makes him feel like you're not being real. Challenge him. Respectfully disagree. Have real conversations. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, healthy conflict, when handled respectfully, actually increases emotional closeness. Why? Because it builds trust. It shows that you're honest, that you're not afraid to speak your truth, and that kind of authenticity is rare and highly desirable. Number 7. Show him you're willing to walk away. If he senses that you'll stay no matter what, no matter how he treats you, no matter how distant he becomes, he takes you for granted. And here's the harsh truth. What people don't fear losing, they don't value. If you stay silent through neglect, disrespect, or hot and cold behavior, he'll keep giving you more of the same. Your strength is your secret weapon. Be kind, loving, loyal, but make it clear that you won't settle. A powerful example, in a 2015 study by researchers at Florida State University, women who communicated their standards clearly saw an increase in long-term relationship commitment from men compared to those who were overly flexible. That's right. You don't lose a man by walking away from disrespect. You often make him realize your worth. Don't threaten to leave. Just know that if he crosses your non-negotiables, you're strong enough to walk. And that strength, that's what separates women he likes from women he respects and desires deeply. Let's do a quick recap. Show him you have standards, create emotional safety, keep your own life vibrant, use contrast to keep things fresh, trigger emotional memories, don't be afraid to disagree, be willing to walk away. Getting a man to desire you deeply isn't about playing games or acting like someone you're not. It's about being the kind of woman who values herself first. Desire grows when there's admiration, challenge, connection, and depth. If this helped you, drop a comment and let me know which point hit you the hardest. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs to hear it. You deserve love that's real, deep, and lasting. Let's go get it.